Hello, everyone. So, talking about one of the major social evils or social issues in the Indian society that is often seen is child marriage. According to the NFHS 5 survey, also 28% of women in the age group of today, 20 to 24, specifically in rural areas of Rajasthan, they got married before 18 years. So 28% is, can say, the rate of child marriage there. So case study from Rajasthan, Karoli district, we see ki a father who had again four daughters, he wanted to marry them together on one single day, and the main reason was due to poverty. So that is one of the major causes behind child marriage also. So, secondly, it is also seen as a tradition in the state or as a custom, which alongside enjoys the religious and the cultural sanctions. So, here one of the daughters, she resisted against her father's decision. She took the help of an NGO, which was there, and went to the NGO, informed them about the situation, and then the NGO intervened there. So it was about, or it was because of the awareness of the child that she knew what would be the consequences of getting again married or because of this. So similar lines, even Rajasthan High Court has directed कि panchayats और जो village heads होंगे, they would be held responsible for any such instance अगर child marriage होती है. But क्या इसकी वजह से child marriage का rate decline हुआ? उस चीज को स्टडी करने का एक वी कैन से कि देयर वुड बी लॉजिक या फिर सेंस बनता है. So one solution which we can say is the role of NGOs, like there is CRY, there is Care India, and even Kailash Satyarthi's foundation that is also working here because he's again a former Nobel laureate working in this direction. Law, we have Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 is there. We have child marriage prohibition officers appointed under this act. Then, in terms of education, empowerment of the girls, talking about universal education, we are seeing that at the school level, the dropout rate has been declining, the enrollment rate has been increasing. Different schemes at state level also, like Kanyashri Prakalp, which is there in West Bengal. Then we have the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Andolan to deal with the marriages and prioritize girls' education and their empowerment. Role of media, like using TV, radio, social media to spread the awareness. Then we talk about uh, strengthening the community and the institutional mechanism exist. Child helpline number is there 1098, where you can report such issues, such child marriages happening, and enable as again a catalyst to stop such evil. And also, in terms of again poverty being the main reason, ensuring that at the ground level, how we can address this issue. So, in this case, we can say even the reforms in the structural and the rural economy of India would also be playing important role. How to make again agriculture a sustainable livelihood option, economically more viable, and creating more jobs in the non-farm sector.